So you're going to set up your indicators. So you want to go to products on the Tradingview indicator and then go down to charts. And then I want you to tap on you see where it has on the upper area to like the third clickable to the right of Apple. It's like a chart. It's like a chart with, yeah, click on that. Okay. And then invite only scripts. Okay. So these are your invite only. So go to the first one, volatility index. And then see how there's a star that clicks up on the left-hand side? I want you to click the star. And that's going to put it in your favorites box. So, yep. And let's go down to the next one. And then click on that one. And then click, yep, let's star all of those. So, perfect. Okay. Now, you can click on all of these once, and it'll add it to your chart. So you can go back up, volatility, you click on ERI. You already got that one on the chart. You can see it behind it. I can see it on the bottom.
Okay.
Yeah, so click once on ERI. That's the early reversal indicator. And then, yep, that came in good. And click once on the dynamic average true range, the ATR. Okay, and then go down to the trend, click that once. And then the trend strength indicator, click that once. And then click the radar once. And then click the signal line. Okay, now you can X out of that. Okay, now you see all those numbers that are in there. So what we're going to do is on your screen, I want you to right click.
Anyway.
Yeah, because if you right click, now go down to settings. Okay, now stay there. I'm going to go into my computer and I'm going to read off the boxes that I have checked. Okay. So give me
Okay.
1 sec. And so are you under symbol right now?
Symbol, yeah.
Okay. So the first box is not checked. The second body is a check. Borders is checked. Wick is checked. Price lines, last is checked. Everything underneath that price line under last is not checked. Then.
Okay, cool.
Okay, so was there anything that you had to uncheck? Because I'm not.
Just pre and post market.
Okay. Now click under symbol on the left-hand side, click on status line. And this is what I have. Under symbol, title is checked. And then below that, these ones are not checked. Open market is not checked. OHLC is not checked. Bar change values is not checked, and volume is not checked. Then you go to indicators. Titles is checked, and then arguments is not checked. Values is not checked, and then background is checked.
Okay.
All right, and then plus OK. All right, let me come back to your screen. Okay, so what happened is those numbers that were on the left-hand side went to the right-hand side. Okay, so now what I want you to do is on the volatility index area, click on that indicator. That's the one where the red on the, okay, yeah, go into the dot, okay, on the right-hand side, go to the very right-hand side, not that one, go to the right, and press that arrow so it goes to the bottom. Like go to the right-hand side of that indicator.
There we go.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, keep pressing the arrow down until it gets to the bottom. Down, and then click it again, one more. Okay, and then this is how I like my indicators like this. Now, I like the volatility index on the bottom, and then signal line, and then trend strength indicator, and then you have trend line. And then above that, So what your system is showing you is that volume. So if you want to eliminate the volume, go on the top indicator sections to the left, type in that volume, go up to the volume, yeah, and then you can just press that eyeball. It's like it's a oval with an eye. Okay, so that took that away. And then what I want you to do is kind of click on the screen and pull it to the left so that the indicator kind of gets away from that radar. So no, not, yeah, pull it a little bit more. Okay, now you can stop. Yeah, just stop, just so that you can see that radar. Now, now the radar is set for 1 hour, 4 hours, 1 day, and 1 week. So I will show you how you could program that, where you could add the radar multiple times. So I like 3 radars for me, so I can see what this particular coin is doing in like 9 different time frames all at once. So if you want to add the radar, yeah, you can click on the radar on the settings part, like on the little spoke. Yep. Now, perfect. So it says time frame. You can, on the middle area, keep going down with your cursor. Well, it's right there. It just says time frame 1. And then if you go into that box, it says 1 hour. There's a drop down and you can change that time frame.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. A lot of TradingView accounts, you know, the more paid your account is, meaning like the higher program, the lower time frame. But I think with the one that you have, you probably have 30 seconds or something. Like maybe that'd be the lowest you could go.
Yeah, I get all the way to 1 second. Gee, okay, really? Don't think that's practical.
Well, when you have mega money that you're trading, then that one, 1 second matters, right?
Yeah, no, true. But
yeah.
I mean, you basically 30 seconds. I think 1 minute would be a good one. Then maybe 5 minutes.
Yeah, depending on, how fast, because I know you said you like to get in and out. So I know you're kind of intense with the 15 minutes.
Yeah. Well, I'm trying to set up for what would make sense. And because there's only 4 time frames that you can do, or can you do more?
Well, you could, so say click OK, and then what we could do is, oh, go ahead. Yeah. Okay, click OK, and we'll add the radar again. And so just go back to your indicators, and you can pull up on your favorites now. Favorite, either way. And then you could just click on radar.
Oh, radar again. Okay.
Yep. And then, okay, so then, see how it says +2? Click on that. We have to click on one of the radars. We just have to pull it down to the next indicator. So you can have it merged with the one below. So maybe go back to that. Yeah, click on that. Click on that. Okay, see radar. Okay, now click on 2. And then click on one of those radars when it pops up. And then let's get the arrow box activated so you can scroll it down. Yeah.
Come on.
Oh my God, it's getting.
This is very annoying. Whenever you move it off,
Maybe you just click on the radar itself, and then we'll be able to probably pull it up. Like on the right-hand side. You could just click on the radar on the right-hand side, and then.
Which is this one?
Yep, and then see those little arrows that come up top? See, like when you click on it, look up above where you are with your cursor. You see the arrow down? Go up with your cursor. Up. Yeah, click that arrow down. Nope. Click the arrow.
That one.
Yeah. Oh crap. Okay, so that was like, okay, click on that.
It flips this around.
Hold on. Yeah.
So that one goes back up again. Okay.
Okay.
So where's this other one? Where would it hide?
I think
I see this is stuck in a space. So
Okay, maybe we can just delete that. That's the settings for the whole thing. Let me show you one thing before we mess with it. I want to save the way this is right now for a second. I want you to go to, see on the upper right hand, above the watch list, it says unnamed. I want you to click on that.
Yep.
And we're going to name this chart. But you, yeah, click save,
Okay.
click name, and rename.
Rename. Okay, cool.
This is so you're saving a chart layout. Okay.
Okay.
So now I want you to go to Apple and change that to Bitcoin. And go to crypto.
Crypto, and where is Binance?
Down more in the middle.
Keep going. That one.
Oh yeah, that'll work. Okay, so this is perfect. So now this is your indicators. Now I want you to take note that we saved this as a 1-day chart. So if you want it to always come up like this and you want it to be something different than a day chart, then you change it to like a 15-minute chart and then you save it again. So
okay, so I'm just trying to see you change. Oh, yeah, you got it. How do you change the time frame? Let me just check this.
So you go to the D, like the D.
Oh yeah.
The up top above that.
Oh, there we go. Okay.
And then yeah.
Okay, so I do the 5 minutes.
Perfect.
Okay, and then I gotta save it. Okay, cool
So
stuff.
can you go to the four boxes above on the go to like where it says the line where it says yeah, click on that. Okay, so that's where you're going to save indicator template right here. And there we go.
Okay, so
And so yeah, you can name it. And then before you click save, look, it says remember symbol and remember interval. So the symbol means it's always going to come up Bitcoin and it's always going to remember that it's at a 5-minute chart.
okay, cool. So okay, it's got the 2 radars there. Great stuff.
Yeah, so we'll
need
say
to give me access to that.
but yeah, we'll okay, so now that's saved. So now we can go in. So at least we have the general consensus or the general layout done, and now we can jump into like just deleting the radar, re-adding it, and then you could resave it, with the right radar format. I just didn't want to lose all this other formatting that we did. So
so if I want to remove the radar,
from there, you just don't delete those. Just X out of that.
Oh, okay. So I gotta go.
So we gotta just work on clicking on that radar and then deleting it and then re-adding it. But
see, it doesn't pop up. So
I know. Let me look at my chart. You keep doing that. I'm gonna look on mine and see how okay, I click on the radar on the right hand side and it pops up and then I can exit out that way. So click on the radar itself on the right hand side, the actual indicator.
Oh yeah. Because this is the radar almost that displays.
Can you click on that though?
It doesn't allow me to click on it.
Well, I mean, if you click, when I click on mine.
Oh, there we go. right click.
Remove.
Remove. Okay, there we go.
Okay, so now click on it again. And you want to say move to, go down to the move to. It's like the 5th area down from the top.
Oh, okay, move
and then,
to.
Yeah, and then it says existing pane below. Okay, and then you can move it, now move it down one more, because we ultimately could have like 3. I put 3M on mine, and then move to existing pane below.
Below, okay, cool.
Okay, and then you go back up, go to the trend and see if you can just add the radar there. If you're clicking in the trend box, yeah, and then click indicators and click add a radar. Okay, so go to the radar, click once.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so it automatically went up to the top area.
Yeah, so we have to kind of set it up here and then move this one down.
Yeah. So you can click on those 3 dots. Yeah, move down, existing pane below. There we go.
Cool, and then go here again and add
indicators.
Indicator radar. Okay, cool. So now you've got 3 radars.
Perfect. And now you want to start programming them from I like mine, the lowest time frame, on the top, and then the largest on top. So you go to the setting, the spoke. Yep.
Okay, gotcha. So here we can do 15 seconds. Oh, okay. Here we go. See, they want upgrade.
No, don't upgrade. So
what is the lowest what we've got? Let's see. Oh, okay. So they do want upgrade. So let's. It's probably a minute.
Just cancel. Wonder why they're wanting you to do that. There could be 2 things. Maybe.
Well, I've got the Pro Plus, but I still got trial left on, because this is a new account that I registered.
Okay.
So they gave me a trial, and I don't think you can get it on your trial. You have to pay before you get those indicators.
All right, let me see. I'm going to see what plan I have. I have the Pro Plus. So you have the Pro Plus too, right?
I have the Pro Plus as well, yeah.
Yeah, that will give you ability to do this. So
you can go down to seconds on the Pro Plus.
I think no, I can't. I cannot go to seconds, I don't think.
Okay. Just on your radar settings, do you have the same checkboxes checked on your inputs?
Let me get a look. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, under inputs, it's use average value mode, allow repaint, and show screener. And then include time frame in 4 conversions. I didn't have that 4th box, but I don't know why, but I'm definitely clicking that. Include time frame 4 in convergence signals. Okay, I clicked that box. So I'm
and everything else is just pretty much the same.
Yeah.
Okay. So the Pro mode, what is this? Do you know?
Yeah, I click on it. Okay, say okay. So with this, kind of, Lena, let me actually do it on my to see. I believe the Pro mode is going to, hold on, let me get into this. It's going to give you some more indicators, but it's you have to shrink your screen down. Let me see if it comes up. I don't know if it's gonna. All right, you know what? I don't know the Pro mode. I thought it was something else. There was some more data, but it was it doesn't come unless the screen is really shrunk down. I'll get with Joe and confirm what the pro mode is. I know I can't. I haven't used that. So I need to ask. I wish I knew that answer, but I don't think it's going to hurt having it on at all.
Yeah, I mean, it's just cool to know, because if it does give you a little bit more insight automatically, then that's the way to do it. So 2 hours, 4 hours, 1 day, 1 week, and for the longest trade, a month. I don't think I need more than that. There we go. That looks so freaking awesome. And then once I can sort out, I can go look at the second timings. I can just move up or move down.
What do you mean when you say second timings?
If it allows me, like for instance,
wait. Before we change anything, I'm sorry to interrupt you, but can we save this?
Oh, okay.
Like go to the 4 squares.
Save.
Go to the 4 squares and do save indicator template, so you can save it as. Okay. Yeah, you could.
Oh, what happened now?
Oh no, we lost it all. Oh my God. I want you to just click save as. Save. All right, don't do it, and we have to redo it now. That's okay. That's okay. I mean, you could see if you saved it as Thomas. Maybe you did save it. Go back to that 4 box. Let's see if you did it. Go under the, you said Thomas C1.
Yeah, that was the name for this.
Scroll down and see if is there anything else in there? No. Okay. All right. So let's do this. If you want to start on Binance, is stick on Binance and Bitcoin Binance US. Let's do the time frames and let's save it before we do anything else. Okay.
Okay, cool. So let me just
click off. Yeah, perfect. You got it.
Move these to the
down twice. Yeah.
No, come on. Okay.
I'll be right back. I have to check on something. Okay, perfect. It's actually good that we did this so that any viewers watching this is going to understand, that when you are creating really great templates for all of your charts, then it's just essential to just save, and save. And then you literally can save different time increments, and it's going to really help you do your analyzations. All right, so that's enough. So like with the Pro Plus, I think you have a limit of 9 indicators. So there we're at 9 indicators right now with what you have. Whoa. Oh, this one is like, all red. Bitcoin is going down.
Yeah, I think there's still quite a bit of a dump going on.
Okay, that's it. You have enough there, right? You have 3 indicators. You have 3 radars. You're trying to do 4 radars?
I just want to move this one up so it's not existing pane above. There we go. So see what
okay, so then you click on the setting, the spoke, and then program your time frames.
Okay, so select the Pro mode. So it does give you the second options on the Pro Plus account. So it'll probably be once I pay for this that I could do the second ones. That's what I suspect.
So Joe responded to my questions. What is the Radar Pro mode? He said there's 2 versions with Pro from beta. That version includes the stochastics. We disabled to make it easier for the newbies to organize their portfolio faster, or by just utilizing the time frames from the weekly, daily, 240 and 60 minute.
So it's select 1 hour now. Okay, 45, 1 hour. And then 2 hours. So they just uncheck it by default to make it easier for setup, but it actually does add value.
I'm asking him. I said he says it adds stochastics. So I said, so what exactly does the Pro version do? So we're gonna find out. I said, when you say it includes stochastics ? So give a minute. We'll keep setting this up, and then let's make sure we save you, and then we'll get there. But let's just get your indicators set and saved. That's my priority right now.
Yeah, we're not going to do a boo-boo like that again.
Okay.
Okay, so it's minutes.
1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes.
15, 30. That's 2 hours, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month.
And I would delete the last one because I don't think you need that one.
Yeah, okay. Well, that one will be the seconds, but I'm not going to do seconds right now.
Okay, so let's save this. Let's go to the four squares and only do save indicator template. And this is a 5 minute. So you could notate that this is a BTC USDC 5 minute chart, or whatever you want to call it.
Okay, so template
5 minute.
5. Okay.
Whew, I feel so much better now. Yay. Okay, so let's keep saving. Okay, so now if
so
that's
now
it.
I should have, yeah, there we go. I've got it too.
Okay. So, and then if you want to delete.
So this one I can actually delete then because this is the baddie.
Yes. Yep, you can X that out.
Yes.
Okay, so now on your watch list, let's try this out. You can click on your euros or any of your stocks or your Forex, and let's just click on one, and it's going to keep it in this template. It's just going to, so there's your Euro USD, and it's telling you what's happening on Forex. It'll tell you what's happening in the stock market, and it'll tell you what's happening in crypto. So, and then you could go down to your crypto file and you can click on the USD, the Ethereum USD. And bam, now you see what's happening with Ethereum.
Oh, okay, cool.
So there's one other thing I need you to do, and we're going to have to save this template again. On the right and the left-hand side, you see those numbers popping up on your Ethereum? I want you to click where those numbers are, right-click.
On those red numbers.
Just, yeah, any of those, just right-click anywhere around that area. Just right-click. Okay, I want you to go down to merge all scales into one and go to on the right. Okay, that is like the last thing that needs to happen. So that's going to make certain that your chart is really clean. So let's save this now. Let's go back to well, this is going to save it as Ethereum. So you could do save indicator template.
Okay, so I can just flip back to BTC.
Okay, that's fine. And then save indicator template.
Okay, so.
Okay, so click on the save.
Okay, cool. So BTC USD.
Okay, perfect. Now let's save it. Let's save indicator and rename it. You can name it the same thing if you want.
Oh, so it'll overwrite. Okay, cool.
Okay, and then remember symbol and interval and then save. Okay, so that's going to conclude your session for how to set up your indicators. You want to merge the numbers on the left-hand side to the right. You want to go to your indicators, go to My Scripts, add them all to your favorites, and then we saved them. We did save as, and we made certain that we were on the right time frame, and we made sure that when we added the radars, we pushed them to the down to 2 indicator levels. And very exciting. So we'll see you for the next session.